and welcome to my channel. My name's Emily, the Petite Beauty blogger, and in today's video I'll be doing a very short but cute review and kind of show off video of the Ciate London Glitter Flip. For those of you who don't know what the Ciate Glitter Flip is, this went viral a couple of years ago and I'm obsessed with it. I've currently got the shade Lovesick and I've also got the red one, but I can't find that one at the moment. But basically you apply this lipstick, it's a normal liquid lip, and then what you do is once you've applied it, you purse your lips together and massage them like this, and it magically goes sparkly. Now I love this especially at Christmas because Christmas is extra sparkly and fun, and it's just one of my favourite lipsticks. Now I will say Ciate, their online customer service wasn't very good, but I dealt with it because I just loved this lipstick so much. So this is just going to be a very short, cute video. I have used this before, but I just wanted to get it on video and show you how sparkly it actually goes. And obviously I actually haven't used this in a while, so it would be cool to see how it is on my lips again, and I'm very excited to show you. So I'm just going to move in and get started. So here is the lipstick. Apologies, I've had it for a while so it's damaged a bit, but it's such a gorgeous hot pink that it's going to look insane, and I cannot wait to show you what it looks like. So let's get started on the applying. So here is the lip first off without turning it to glitter, and I really like it. It applied really well. It is pigmented, it just didn't go patchy, which is what I love. And even though it's a magic one that goes glittery, it doesn't feel any different than a normal lipstick, and I really like it. I'm now going to shut up so you can see the magic. I mean, that is just a total magic. Look at it sparkle. There is definitely a change in sparkles and glitter, and I love it. Is this just not one of the coolest lipsticks ever? I am totally obsessed with it. I'm going to be wearing it all throughout December for Christmas because I'd be crazy not to. Now, what do you think? Now, these don't actually cost that much. I will put the price of them up in the corner when I find out, and there is a really good range, and when I bought these I could only get two because they were sold out so quick because everyone just seemed to want them, and I'm really obsessed. Now I will put the before and after on my Instagram at Petite Beauty Blogger, and I really hope you go and check it out. And as always, I hope you're staying safe and well. I'll put my social media down below, and bye!